Bonjour, allez, c'est parti pour la correction de la partie 2 du questionnaire. Let's start with the correction of the part 2 of the questionnaire. Pour vous, un paysage français, c'est quoi? For you, a French landscape, what is it? La ville, the city, la montagne, la plage, the beach, or la campagne, the countryside? Well, as I told you, there is no wrong answer. Actually, it's everything, France. I just put up some of the best part of France. Maybe not the best, but one of my favorites. For example, we have beautiful a village and a beach in France, especially, for example, in the island of Corse. La Corse. There is not only Paris in France. We have other stuff. Look at this. Corse is a wonderful island on the south of France. Or we have La Provence. This region is in the south of France with beautiful village and landscape. We have also La Bretagne, maybe more similar to England, but with also incredible plage, beach. And the water is a bit colder than in the south, but if you go during the summer, it's okay. L'Alsace, really near my hometown, wonderful, small village and countryside. There is also small mountain, and in France we have also bigger mountains like les Alpes, where you can see, of course, la neige, the snow, la neige. Okay? So France is not only Paris, and we're gonna see it on the next video. Draw the map of France, and in the next video, I'm gonna tell you which French personality you are. Allez, à bientôt et à tout à l'heure.